This recipe is so good that when I was going to eat it, everybody had eaten everything. Who doesn't like eggplant will love this recipe anyway. Let's start with one eggplant and we're going to slice it this way as you can see on the video. Just do it like this that you won't get it wrong. Just cut it in half and then we are going to make slices this way, guys. Done that, in another bowl, let's add 2 eggs, 200 grams of heavy cream, a good pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons of flour, and now just mix everything very well until it's all together, okay? Done that, guys, we are going to dive all of the slices of the eggplant that we have just cut it. And we are going to dive them very well, okay? Let it very wet. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug on the next video. Let's repeat this process with all of the eggplants. And after that, shortly after, we are going to put them in medium hot oil, okay guys? It's not too hot because if it is too hot, it's gonna burn our eggplant. Now just fry on one side and turn it around and fry on the other side. And guys, the smell of this kitchen is amazing. This recipe is wonderful. Even who hates eggplant will love this recipe. And if you want to let it even more delicious, when you're preparing the cream, you can put some seasons, your favorite seasons. There, put just salt, but you can put black pepper, paprika, you know, the one you prefer. So you can use your creativity and let it even more yummy and, you know, more like your taste. And look how beautiful it is, guys. It's very crunchy on the outside, but very smooth on the inside. I don't like eggplant, but like this, I eat it every single day, seriously. Make it at your house and I'm pretty sure that you won't regret making it. And this was today's dish. If you watched this video until here, that means you liked it. So don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one, okay? And also don't forget to send this video, this recipe for your friend so you don't forget to make it at your house together, okay? Save it for making it later. And I'm gonna leave you guys right now. Kisses and see you on the next video. Bye!